What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. So Greg is on his way to my house right now, per usual. He actually smashed his front lip. I guess he's been dragging around for the whole day, so he's gonna come over. We're gonna take his old piece of crap lip off, and I actually have an extra one sitting in my shed that I'm gonna give him so he won't be rolling around with that broken ass lip. So we're gonna be installing that lip, and that's basically it for now. We'll see what we have planned later on. As you guys can see, it's dark outside. It's actually like 6 o'clock right now, but it gets dark quick because of daylight saving. So I'm gonna go ahead, move my car so he can park in the driveway.
Hey man. My foot, bitch. Is that my jacket?
It's like a large. This ain't your jacket.
That's my jacket.
No, it's not, bitch. This is fucking huge.
That's my jacket. Because it's gone.
Yeah? Oh, okay, nice.
Yeah, it's a little messed up.
You've been dragging around like this for a day?
Yeah.
What the hell did you hit?
Nothing, bro. I'm driving on freaking Herndon and all this. I'm like, what the f?
You're going like a $1.20, weren't you?
A little bit.
We always have Red Bulls on deck. You think it's good to drink 3 to 4 Red Bulls a day?
Yeah. My doctor recommended it.
Are you or a loved one suffering from mesothelioma?
This is the one that needs. Woo. Get away from my anus. Notice there's a whole chunk missing here. I literally just noticed.
It's because it dragged it and just kept scratching. Oh, this is fine. We could reuse this. Gotta get the new lip from the shed. I threw it in the shed because I don't need it right now. My lip isn't too bad. But I'm gonna give it to Greg because he needs it more than I do. It's one of those boxes right there. There we go. Oh, it didn't come with bolts. Why is this shit so heavy?
Oh, fuck, that hurt.
Do it again?
Bro, that shit's heavy, bitch. Back up. Bro, you know how much that actually hurt?
Well, here's the new one, fellers. There's his old one.
I'm gonna reuse that.
You're gonna reuse this? Oh, my bad. This is the life, ladies and gents. You sit back while your peasants are doing the work. Boys,
Man down.
I spilled my Red Bull.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Alright guys, we're headed to Home Depot to pick up some hardware to mount the lip. His hardware was screwed up, so we're gonna go get some new hardware from Home Depot. Probably steal it or something, we don't know yet. Well, people probably watch these videos, but I can't tell if these guys are gay.
Debatable.
You need a mask?
Nah, I'm asthmatic, remember?
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, it's already Christmas, but joking, man. The day after Halloween, it's Christmas. Hello, brother. Pasillo cerrado temporalmente. Is this how you wear a mask?
Looks pretty good.
Just got screws. We also got some washers. What's your credit card number, brother?
It's 1-800 go.
Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
Thank you, Home Depot.
Thank you. He went in there with no mask. That's illegal. Just got back home. Now it's time to put this new front lip on. It looks ugly without a front lip. Damn, with the Adidas are?
Can you give me those 4?
Hell no. Just got the new front lip on. Looking all clean and fresh. compared to this piece of shit right here. It's all cracked and shitty. Alright guys, we got done with Greg's front lip already. Now we're gonna be heading out to my cousin Hach's house because he's doing a bonfire night and he invited us over. So we're gonna go chill with the boys and just have a chill night. See you guys there. Send it! That's just loud. I'm calling the police! Got a little hell kitty right there. Yeah, I don't think he wants to play though. Oops! There's hella cops there. Whoopsie! That was pretty fun. Playing with the little hell kitty.
See why there was cops?
No.
There was a Corolla in someone's house.
Really?
That Charger didn't want that smoke.
That Hellcat didn't want that smoke. What's up, Mary Bear?
Race the Hellcat? Who raced
We were playing with the Hellcat on the way here.
What's up, brother, man?
What's up, baby?
What's up, vlog?
I don't know if I got good videos because I had to hold the camera.
Bro, I
hold
was
the
watching
camera
you
and
struggling.
shit.
He was like,
Bro,
hey, but you still walk this dumb man.
we making s'mores, man?
Yeah, we're making shorts. Yeah, okay.
What's up, Raz?
Brother man, they already know me. You don't got
Brother man Raz, brother man Hachi. That snap-on jacket probably costs like $1,000.
Ferrari. I don't got that Jewish money, bro. I'm sorry.
I told you going back up, the fight gonna burn you doing that thing.
Hey, man.
Hey, man.
And then
Shout out to Haraj for the Slim Jims and Red Bulls.
Honestly, this wood burns very hot.
You broke the chair, Ash? You broke the chair?
You said it's broken, bro. You snapped the metal. It was broken, give me those. Graham crackers, chocolate. Let's get some smoke.
Hey,
Don't waste the chocolate.
Yeah, you fat.
bro, it's chocolate.
What? He's about to fucking deep throat the whole bag of marshmallows right now.
Bro, this shit's heavy.
It's a heavy marshmallow. Yeah, you can hit, so you can knock someone out with this shit. Watch, it looks like you're unhappy there.
Bro, you should learn to cut.
Give me one, bro.
Nothing happened to it.
Give me a fucking stick and I'm mellow, bro.
Give me a second, bro.
Chocolate, bro.
Stop yelling, bro.
Come on, bro.
Bro.
Bro. I can't do it with the my marshmallow fell. It's okay.
The threads are up.
Yeah. Shit, did it cross thread?
Shit, my cracker broke.
What the f are you doing?
He's threading the freaking marshmallow on the stick. I think he cross threaded it.
Chocolate.
Chocolate?
We need some chocolate.
Oh, sweet chocolate. I hated it.
Sweet, sweet chocolate. I always hated it.
It's funny when my head gets hurt, though.
It's funny because he's fat.
It's funny because he's fat.
Oh no.
And bald.
It's all the same thing.
He's eating graham cracker and chocolate.
Take a puff of this.
And you choke on the dust.
And now you have chlamydia.
No, this is the coronavirus group right here. We all have coronavirus. You can't have coronavirus if you don't test for it, my head.
Guys.
My head looks like a Bertha. I'd name you Bertha. Gertrude or Bertha.
Hey, my head's name has stretch marks in it.
Gremlin looking.
Boy, you look like Dr. Doofus.
Stretch marks of fucking
Lizzie
diabetes.
Goblin looking at this.
You you. You you.
You.
My head.
He's pointing out a couple in there.
You too, buddy.
You.
You.
What's your name?
It's 1 a.m. and we're about to start up all the cars. Oh, mine's not that bad. We're good. these neighbors are gonna hate us. Alright guys, that's gonna be a wrap for this video. I'm on my way home right now from Koch's house. Late as shit, and I'm gonna get some sleep. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't already, hit that like button. Comment down below what you guys want to see on the channel. Hit that subscribe button, bell notification, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.